In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google located under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your added passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then tap on Edit and change wherever you want to. When you finished, just hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password and username has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!